Flood my cross with ice, getting money, my religion. Got my baby mama and my side bitch kissing.
Now here at the garage. My boy about to sing some karaoke. Yeah. What we got here, D?
ZR1, man.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Just some changes.
Yeah, just getting some changes now, man. This car's beautiful. We got True Papi over there as well, man. Yes, sir.
Let's go to that Fox.
Yeah.
You show them what's up underneath that Fox. Yes, sir. We got some blocks here, man.
Yeah.
Look at that big boy right there.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that, don't y'all? Morgan Warner, baby.
That big boy's going on that Fox, yo.
Bigger than a 15. No, it's a 14, but
no, 5/8. It's Papi.
Yeah, True Papi.
5/8.
This is the Papi out here, man.
These are right here. They're about 50 millimeters. We got some 50s right here.
Just some baby boys, man. You get a little hurting on you this season, you know what I'm saying?
See the Mustang real quick.
Yeah. This thing's gonna be nasty. What we got here?
We got a 2J right here and
this is
Fox.
way bigger than the other one.
You got anything to say about this swap?
Oh, nothing.
You still working on it?
Just a stock. 3-4
Stock.
pounds of boost.
Yeah.
No intercoolers needed. No wiring needed.
Yeah, man, this thing's gonna
Are
be
you gonna go
nasty
through
when
the
it gets
process, or
done.
you gonna swap to something else?
No, I got a guy, Dennis, is gonna do all the tuning and
Yeah,
wiring.
this guy right
now
here.
he's talking
Yeah.
about
Yeah, man, this thing's gonna be nasty when it's done, though. Yeah, we're on the way to the spot right now, man.
Yes, sir.
Just had some barbecue earlier, man. That boy Tino, man. What's his name? Oh yeah, Goblin M5, bro. He was cooking it up earlier, man. But anyways, we're on the way down to the spot. We'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, we're here, bro. Got a few cars. Let's go over here, see what's going on. On fire right here. Super. What's up, cuz? Chillin', chill. What's good?
What's up, cousin?
Good, man.
We made peace tonight.
What you mean, hell no?
Yeah, come here real quick.
Oh my fucking God. Yeah, I ain't get your shit.
Yo, look at the belt. Look at the belt. Look at the belt, bro. Look at the fucking belt. You stole my mom's belt again, nigga.
Bro.
His mom?
Yeah.
Don't
worry about mine.
You said what?
Don't worry about it, man.
Yes.
Every clip in the video, he takes it off.
Nah, man. Yes, sir.
I just put the guy free hoodie, bro.
Had a problem with the guy.
Homie.
Because I don't want to be that.
That boy, Goblin M5, man.
Goblin M5.
Yeah, this guy's doing his charge pipes right now, Intercooler plugs and coil packs. See where you got over there, bud? Some of your stuff right there.
Yeah.
The goodies are inside. We gotta bring them out once we get all this stuff taken apart, man. I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Out here right now, I'm struggling to get this thing out still, bro. I don't know how they make the little DIY videos look so easy, bro.
Huh?
But it's got the charge pipes off already. Turbos are covered. Intercooler just needs to come out. Once that's out, we can get the new J pipe in there. Intercooler on the charge pipes, and then transfer everything over from this intercooler to the new one. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Intercooler finally came off thanks to this sexy guy right here. Yeah, this guy too, bro. Yep, all the new parts are inside. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of them out. See you guys once we start throwing stuff back on. So, new J pipes on. We got that O-ring sitting in there too. He's doing the plugs right now on the coil packs.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You guys want to see some old plugs, man? They're right here. I think these were the original boys, to be honest with you. See, now we got these new boys up in here ready to go. Alright guys, we'll see you once we throw some stuff. Got the plugs on there. This dude's doing the coil packs right now because my back was hurting when I got done. You know what I'm saying? Them plugs had me bent over and shit. Yeah. Yeah, man, we got the coil packs going on right now. They're transferring, I think, the bracket from the old intercooler onto the new one. Yes, sir. We got a new shiny intercooler right there, man.
Look at Master Mechanic right here.
Yes, sir. Millie? Yes, sir. What you doing, bro? You helping them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, anyways, once this starts getting thrown back on the core, man, I'll see you guys. Yeah, we got them new coil packs on, man. My boy got them dining ones because he's rich, you know what I'm saying? Dude's rich, bro, so he got them dining ones. So, yeah, ignore the focus, man. I'm recording from my phone again. I forgot my camera at home. We got that other mechanic right here, man. What's up, Millie, bro? Anyways, once we get the charge pipe and the new intercooler on, I'll get back to you. All right, guys, we got that new intercooler on, man. Just finishing up the last few touches, and we're gonna go ahead and throw the charge pipes on. And we're throwing the charge pipes on right now, man. He's getting them both on the turbo. Alright, man, we got everything back on. Yes, sir.
You want to put it up there, bro?
We got this little mechanic down here, man. Check him out, man. He charges $400 an hour. Let him know. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna start this thing tonight because it's a little late, but catch you guys tomorrow, man. I got a little cold start video. What we doing here, man?
Patching things up, man.
Yeah, day 2, man. We came back. We just
putting all the
decided to
plastics
just call it a
back
night
together.
last night. Yeah. You don't drive this car much, anyways. Yeah.
Never.
Nah, he's gonna start driving it more, man. You better at least.
400 miles in a year and a half.
Where's
This dude finally put his wheels on.
Yeah.
You got one more on your side here.
Yep.
Oh, yeah,
I'll show you guys later what his car looks like. Yeah. Got that, bro?
Yeah. What is this, a 10? 10 one?
We're about to see. I think it's an 11. Yep.
Is it?
Yeah, this is his car right here, man. He got the T's on this mug. Damn, this thing is a little dirty, brother.
Yeah, bro, I gotta detail this thing, man.
Yeah. Oh,
This ain't
man.
one. I'm going to do it original. Give me that 38 something.
Right there. Everything's back together. We're just bleeding the cooling system right now. Got that cooling right here, man. You know we only use that good shit, bro.
What's going on?
Bless me. Yeah.
Bless me.
Alright, we'll see you guys when we get that startup video, man.
You are currently being recorded.
sir, we got that boy in the other outside, man. Got the gold tips, you know what I'm saying? With the TEs, that boy riding clean, man. I mean, it ain't clean, but it's a little dirty, but he riding clean though, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. We're about to go to the spot though. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, man, we're pulling up to the spot right now, bro. Yeah. Yes, sir. What's up, cuz? Tell them where we at, bro.
We're currently at the car wash right now, you know what I'm saying? But I guess a few runs in.
Yes, sir. And there's a good amount of people here tonight, bro. On me, it's pretty packed, bro.
For a cold day, bro, it's pretty good right
Yeah, I swear. What's good, cuz? What's good, cuz? Chillin'. Did dude pull up yet, or did they run? The Hellcat ZR1? No?
I mean, Hellcat was here earlier, but...
Yeah, nobody else ran yet, though?
No, not that I know of. We literally just came back from...
Yeah, man. Yeah, there's a good amount of people here tonight, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty packed, bro.
What is how packed it is? I swear. Got the underground tuning right there, bro. Yeah, bro.
That's the Camaro, bro.
This one right here in the back. And we might have to get that get back, bro. Might have to. Yes, sir. Alright, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, boys. We got ourselves a run down in Mexico City.
Mexico, man.
We got a Camaro 6th gen, headers and E, and a Q50 also downpipe too.
Tagging up the miles, we do the milestone.